Learn from nature. What can we learn from nature? The sun does not shine for a few trees and flowers, but for the wild world's joy. Nature is so kind, selfless, and does not expect anything in return. It is the purest form of anything that we know. There are always few words to describe its beauty, but apart from its beauty, there are many values that can one observe in nature and learn from it. True, though there are innumerable things one can learn from nature by simply observing it, living in it, and feeling it. But here is only a segment of it, equality. Since the man has evolved himself mentally and physically, he has felt no stone unturned to create classes, be it socially, financially, in terms of power, and even gender. Even in this advanced 21st century, we can see discrimination in various parts of the world. But equality is one of the most observable trait nature teaches us. So we should also learn to see this world with equality in our eyes. The sun shines on everyone, it does not make choices. Selflessness. Nature is the best example of selfless service. It gives us the air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and land to grow without expecting anything in return. Similarly, we should also be selfless in our life. Most of the reason of people being unsatisfied is because of their expectations from life, people, friends, and family members.